Hey everyone, today we're making a lovely strawberry avocado toast. This is a wine pairing recipe. It's to go with a really lovely rosé. More on that in a little bit. So first thing you wanna do is toast your bread. Now, after you toast that bread, we're gonna take that bread and we're gonna just take some goat cheese and spread the goat cheese across both slices of the toast. Then do the same thing with the avocado. Just mash that up and just divide that across both pieces of toast. Okay, as I mentioned, this recipe was designed to go with a rosé. And hey, you know what? If you're a rosé lover, I wanna know. But also, if you do like rosés, I wanna tell you what things just really pair well with a rosé. So stay tuned for that. So if you like a good dry rosé, like that really pairs wonderfully with like salads and sandwiches and just summer veggies. I personally love making a bruschetta bar where you just have lots of options and people can just build whatever they like. And this strawberry avocado toast was actually inspired by that. If you like a sweeter rosé, which who doesn't? Like if you like a sweeter rosé, that goes great with just fruit and citrus, like melons and strawberries. So you can kind of see how a lot of that is in this recipe. So, okay, let's get back to making it. So next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your sliced strawberries to the top of the toast. And while I'm talking to you about how you can quickly slice strawberries, I'm gonna start enjoying some of this rosé. So a really great hack for slicing up strawberries is you can actually use an egg slicer. So just cut off the top, put it in the egg slicer, and it'll evenly slice those strawberries. Super easy and quick. I highly recommend trying it. So if you're having to slice a lot of strawberries for whatever it is that you're making, try that hack. So as I mentioned, this recipe is a wine pairing recipe that's designed to go with a nice rosé. So this rosé is CHIA certified. And let me just talk to you about CHIA certified for a second. So if you like drinking planet-friendly, eco-friendly, animal-friendly, people-friendly, all the friendly things, because you know climate change is real, check out CHIA certified because those wines are good for the planet, but also really, really darn tasty. You can check out their website, find wineries in the area to visit, wineries to order from. You can't really go wrong. Like this rosé is a really, really great option for that too. It goes wonderfully with this strawberry avocado toast, which you probably should get back to. So, okay, so you've added on the strawberries. We're just gonna top it off with a little bit of chia seeds just to kind of give it some crunch and pop, and then drizzle a nice balsamic glaze over the top. This is a wonderful toast that goes beautifully with this rosé. It's a great way to start your day. If you're gonna go out wine tasting, have a little snack, whatever you want. I think you're gonna love it, but let me know. And before I wrap this up, one more hack on strawberries. So if you wanna store them for a really, really long time, the thing with strawberries is they're really, really fragile, right? Most berries are. So when you bring them home, wash them in 1 part white vinegar, 3 parts water, soak them for about 10 minutes, fully dry them, like whether in a salad spinner or however, you want to make sure that they're fully dry. Put them in the fridge in an airtight container that's lined with paper towels, and your strawberries will last twice, if not 3 times longer stored that way. So there's a little strawberry hack for you too. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hey, let me know. Drop a comment down below and I'll see you guys next time.